Welcome viewers, I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. Today's class shall be an exponential equation. If 3 raised to the power m divided by 4 raised to the power m is equal to 5, also divided by 2 raised to the power m, then what is the value of m? Let us solve this question together. I want you to watch to the end. So, solution to the question. I am given to solve that 3 is raised to the power n divided by 4 raised to the power n equal to 5, then divided by 2 raised to the power n. Alright, I want to use 2 raised to the power n to multiply 3 raised to the power n. Okay, what it means is that it's just like moving the denominator by the right hand side to multiply the numerator by the left hand side, and that means I will have it written 3 raised to the power m multiplied by 2 raised to the power m all over 4 raised to the power m is equal to 5. But I can also write it as 3 raised to the power m multiplied by 2 raised to the power m all over 2 multiplied by 2 all raised to the power n. By law of indices, I want you to see first that 4 is the same as 2 multiplied by 2. Now, indices law says that if I have a multiplied by a, okay, all raised to the power x, it is equal to a raised to the power x multiplied by a raised to the power x. Is the same thing. So that means I can now write from here that 3 raised to the power m multiplied by 2 raised to the power m is the same thing as 2 raised to the power m multiplied by 2. Please, this place is equal to 5. Okay, now multiplied by 2 raised to the power m, everything here now is equal to 5. Very good. Now I have applied the power m into the bracket and it appears like this. Again, you can agree with me that the numerator has 2 raised to the power m and the denominator has 2 raised to the power m. So both of them can cancel each other, leaving me with a 3 raised to the power m all over 2 raised to the power m equal to 5. At this point, I can apply the law of indices that says that a raised to the power m over b raised to the power n is the same thing as a over b all raised to the power n. That means I can now write here that 3 over 2 is raised to the power m, which is equal to 5. At this point, permit me to take logarithms to both sides, and that is what should be done next. So the log of 3 over 2 raised to the power m is equal to the logarithm of 5. And by law of exponential logarithms, that is, if I have the log of x raised to the power n, it is equal to n log x. Applying it to the left hand side, it will give me m, then multiplied by the logarithm of 3 all over 2, then everything is equal to the logarithm of 5. At this point, I can divide both sides of the equation at the last step by logarithms of 3 divided by 2. And that means I will have it written that m multiplied by the log of 3 all over 2 divided by the log of 3 all over 2 is equal to the logarithm of 5 divided by the logarithm of 3 all over 2. So that by the left hand side, the log of 3 over 2 will cancel out, leaving me with m. This is what I am looking for to get the value of m, equal to the logarithm of 5 all over the logarithm of 3 all over 2. You can also apply logarithm law that talks about change of base. Okay, if I have the log of a to base x, divided by the log of b to base x. It is the same thing as the logarithm of a to base b. We call this change of base law in logarithms. So both of them assumes natural base, which is base 10. So I can now write m is equal to the logarithm of 5 to base 3 all over 2. Thank you for watching this video today, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you.